What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this video in which we will be covering Klaytn, or Klay is just the abbreviation, as you can see. We'll be talking a little bit, and that's usually what I do in these videos. We'll be talking a little bit about the project and some of the news around it, which I'm not sure. I think I missed some news. So let me know at the end after discussing the news what I missed, because I probably missed something. We'll also talk a little bit about if Klaytn is manipulated, all right, because I think that's a valid question after the moves we've had. And then we'll do a price analysis, obviously. So right now the volume is amazing at almost 300 million. It's almost all legit volume. Some is coming from Korea, which is volume I don't really like. But that's nothing against Koreans or anything. But usually when cryptos get a lot of Korean volume, they tend to drop down after that. But apart from that, it's all looking amazing. The volume is quite high, though. I think compared to the last 3 months, even compared to the last year, it's very high. Compared to the last year, when a year ago we were still in a bull market. So I'm not sure where all this volume is coming from. And then on the other hand, you also have that last week. I mean, this was Monday the 10th, which was 2 weeks ago, and then in 1 week to the 17th. We actually dropped down to 14 cents. We dropped down 24% in a week. And then the 20th, we actually dropped down a total of 36% in, well, what will it be? How much is this? Oh, I cannot see that. But at least in like 11 days, we dropped down 36%, which is a lot, even in a bear market. So I'm not sure what happened there. And I couldn't find any news about that. Now, this spike didn't happen, but now we've been pretty bullish and we've gotten back up to those levels. In the end, well, we're still a little bit lower than there, but still, I'm not sure actually. I do have an explanation for why this bullish move happened, but I don't have an explanation for why we dropped down so severely. So let me know down in the comments if I missed anything. For now, the main thing is, and I don't want to talk too much about what Klaytn is, it's just another layer 1 blockchain with a focus on metaverse and GameFi and the creator economy. Well, all right. I think more people are doing that, but apart from that, they have an ongoing proposal that recommends reducing existing block rewards by 1/3 in order to optimize the level of Klay emission. So the thing is that I think Klaytn is a proof of stake network. I'm not sure, but that means that all the validators get block rewards with every new block. By usually that block reward will get some sort of an inflation in the token, right? It creates more circulating supply. So by cutting that, you reduce inflation, but you also reduce the incentives to actually become a validator on the Klaytn network. So it's bullish for the price because it reduces inflation. That's one of the reasons I think we went up. Plus, I think there's some manipulation going on. If I didn't miss some major news, I mean, this is just very weird price behavior. But for now, let's actually take a look at the price, obviously. What you can see, this spike actually didn't happen. Maybe on Binance it happened, but it didn't really happen. You can see that in the end, our top was around 18.5 cents. So right here, probably on Binance a little bit higher. At around this level right here, I think we can make a case for this key level. But yeah, you can see that we took a break retest of 21 cents. And now we're actually quite bearish because we've dropped down below this key level right here between 18.5 cents and 19.5 cents. And our last hope is we're going to drop down to this level right here at around 17 and 17.5 cents. If we can stay on top of 17 cents for the next 24 hours, then I think we can actually have a move up to 20 cents again, all right? But I think it's way more likely, in all honesty, I think it's way more likely that we do not hold 17 cents for the next 24 hours, and that will drop down towards this 16 cent level, after which we'd probably find some support there, but only to take a break retest off of 17 and 17.5 cents and to drop down all the way to 15 cents. To me, that seems like the most likely scenario, all right? There's some shady things going on at Klaytn, it seems to me at least. It's a legit project, but there's at least some manipulation in price, all right? Maybe not by them, maybe by whales, but that always worries me a little bit. So I think this is the most likely scenario. I could be wrong. If we manage to stay on top of 17 cents for the next 24 hours, I was wrong. But yeah, still, this is my take and my most likely scenario. So I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Have a great Monday and take care. Bye.